Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this RM850e series fully modular low noise power supply with a dual 8-pin EPS 12V connectors provide quiet operation. Reliable power with 80 plus gold efficiency to a wide variety of PC builds. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and connect it to my new PC build. So many cables, wow. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Zip ties and screws. The power cord. It is 1.5 meters, I like that, quite long. Now let's see one by one the cables. We have the ATX 24-pin connection, two CPU EPS ATX 12V 8-pin 6 plus 2 total 8, two PCI Express 8-pin 6 plus 2, one split and one regular, the SATA cable connection, 1, 2, 3, 4 SATA connection, and another SATA connection, 3 output. And for the peripheral connections, the power, 4 outputs. Nice, all that included at the box. Reliable power and superb electrical performance features a robust resonant LLC topology with 150 Celsius rated industrial grade capacitors inside, ensuring extremely fast wake from sleep times and better low load efficiency. A 120mm rifle bearing fan with a specially calculated fan curve keeps fan noise down, even when operating at full load, with 0 RPM fan mode for near silent operation at lower loads. Nice, I like that. Definitely you are not going to hear the fan. All the time when I'm decided to build a new PC or upgrade my oldest, definitely I buy Corsair power supply. For me it is reliable, I like them, and because they have a low noise fan. Fully modular cabling, connect only the cables your system needs and nothing else. 5 universal 8-pin connectors can be used with any 8-pin cable, satisfying all the power needs of modern motherboards and GPUs. We can see here it says motherboard, PCI Express and CPU, another PCI Express and CPU, SATA PATA. Designed for use with genuine Corsair Type 4 cable sets only. Let's say you need to connect the CPU, that goes here, so easy, plug and unplug, just press, unplug, and plug again. And of course at the front we have the connection for the power cord, and we have the on-off switch. Nice, I like it. Well, let's move on and install it to my newest PC build. Fast installation. You only need 4 screws at the back. The fan needs to be facing at the bottom to have better cooling the power supply. Install the cables that you only need and it is very easy to do. 850 watt to power on my newest PC build. Don't forget to watch the other videos for the CPU, RAM, motherboard, water cooling, PC case and more. That's why hit the notification bell, subscribe and share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.